All right, next up we got the Corvette. Alrighty. Awesome. Sounds good, and also warmed up my legs. Now it's time for the Shelby.
If I get to vote, I vote for you.
It's the loudest.
It's obnoxious, yeah.
I know, but it's that deepness that I like.
Yeah.
All right, guys. First up, we got the G8. He's gonna do some light drive-bys, then some medium drive-bys, and then a heavy drive-by. Here we go. That's really loud. Keep going. That's a normal drive-by. Glenn, just do some easy drive-bys. Glenn doesn't do easy. Yeah, that was a medium drive-by.
so nice. It sounds warm. Sounds warm.
Probably.
Sounds so good, man.
That's all I got. Well guys, that was another exhaust battle. Don't know who won. I don't really care. We all had a good time. Usually it depends on your opinion, and most of the exhaust battles have gone 50-50, so we'll see if it goes 33-33-33 this time. But special thanks to the guys that are coming out tonight. Well, I couldn't do it without anybody else, so thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.